So what I'm doing right now is I'm making a detailed cost estimate for our family's construction. Okay, so tapos na tayo magtrabaho ng mga paperworks for our job. Ngayon naman, I'm going to shift over sa paggagawa ng script. Mag-ice cream muna tayo, tsaka relax lang muna. Kasi syempre yung utak ko kanina, puro paperworks yung isip niya. Kailangan kong i-precondition yung brain ko para mag-shift naman sa pagiging creative. Kasi we have an assignment this week ng isang short film. Tapos na ako nun sa script. Bukas ko na siya print kasi, you know, I'd like to ipahinga yung isip ko, then review it tomorrow. Okay guys, I'm back from work. Dun muna tayo sa script. Okay guys, so we're done with the script. Dito na siya. That's how I juggle life. So thank you guys for watching.